Tally Prime interface, other buttons. On Tally Prime interface, along with select company information, we can also view and access manage options. Manage options to manage and configure company data such as company, data, exchange, import, export, email, print, and help. All these manage options can function better when company data is selected in Tally Prime. Here, we have not selected any company data in Tally Prime. Detail function of each manage buttons cannot be accessed here from Tally Prime interface. Starting with first manage button as Alt-K company, we can see company button is not highlighted as the button is specifically to manage company data, selected in Tally Prime. Manage details such as alteration of data, security configuration of data, online set off of data, etc. Next, Alt-Y data to manage company data in Tally Prime, such as backup of company data, restore of company data, repairing company data, migrating company data, and configuration of data path in Tally Prime. Next, Alt-Z exchange. To manage and configure data exchange process in Tally Prime. Data exchange such as data synchronization, GST e-way bill sharing, GST e-invoice sharing. Next, Alt-O, import. To import and configure company data for importing Tally masters, transactions, vendor banking details, etc. Next, Alt-E, export. Option to be used to export and configure data related to export. Vouchers, invoices, reports from Tally can be exported using export option under different supported formats of Tally Prime. Next, Alt-M, email. Email option serves option to configure email detail and send Tally vouchers and reports from Tally data directly using email option. Next, Alt-P, print. This option helps to configure printing setup in data along with the options to print vouchers and reports in supported format of Tally Prime. Tally Prime interface, F1 Help button. F1 Help. F1 Help includes several other informations such as Tally Help. To access Tally Help file in Tally Prime, we can click on Tally Help option. By clicking Tally Help option, Tally will redirect to Tally Help page on Tally Solutions website. On Tally Help page, user can access several options to get assistance on Tally Prime. Next, what's new? To access and know more about Tally Prime release details, click on What's New option. Tally will redirect to Tally Help page to get information about Tally Prime release in detail. Next, Upgrade. To upgrade latest version of Tally Prime, we can click on Upgrade. Under Product Update, release information available as Tally Prime Edit Log Release 3.0 installed, latest release, rental validity. Explore Tally products and releases on the Tally website. On clicking this option, we will be redirected to Tally Solutions website. Press Escape to come out. Next, Tally Shop to buy any plugins and add-ons for Tally Prime as per business requirements. Enter to view. Tally will redirect to Tally Shop page to buy any plugin or add-on available on Tally Shop. Next, troubleshooting. Troubleshooting includes several other informations such as event log, repair, reinstall application, delete views saved for all companies, company data repair, company data migrate. Options can be selected as per requirement. Next, settings. Under settings option, we can configure details of license, language, country, startup, display, and connectivity. License information related to configuration of license, such as activation, reactivation, surrender, etc. Language. To configure language of Tally Prime, it contains display language and data entry language. Next, country. To configure information such as default country for new companies India, use accounting terminology of India SARC. Date and number format, press escape to come out. Next, startup. To configure startup settings, settings like load companies on startup, companies to load, start application in full screen, login detail such as enable auto login for companies with same credentials. Next, display. To configure display settings related to reports like display name for ledger and group, display name for stock item, display name for employee, show graphs in monthly summaries, show resigned retired employees, show final accounts menu in gateway of Tally, default filter mode for reports. Configuration of table such as show masters under look for where applicable to apply filter. Show additional conditions for fields to apply filter. Application configuration such as show bottom bar, color and sound configurations, enable color, display mode, enable sound. Further, click on Show More options to view more configuration details. More details like number format, add sign before currency unit symbol, format for positive number, format for negative number, format for credit amount, format for debit amount. Press escape to come out. Next, connectivity. Connectivity configuration such as client server configuration. Press escape to come out. Next, TDLs and add-ons. To configure and load TDLs and add-ons in Tally Prime data, select option TDLs and add-ons. Press F4 Manage local TDLs. Under TDL configuration, set Load selected TDL files on startup to Yes and define the TDL path or add-on path location by selecting information from file selection. Press escape to come out and about. To know more about product information, license information, TDL and add-on, data information, connectivity and Tally gateway server, computer information. So this way, manage button options can be used to configure business data as per requirements.